What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for HSBC Bank's online banking account. So follow the step and you guys will know how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move forward now, shall we? So the first step, you want to search for HSBC Bank Register. Click on the first link and it'll bring you to this website. Over here, click on Resist Register and it'll bring you to this website. Scroll a bit down and click on Register Now. Once you do that, you're over here. Over here, first agree to its terms and service by ticking mark this box, clicking on Continue. Then choose the type of account you have and then enter the information over here. Choose your date of birth over here like this and then enter a telephone banking security number. Click on Continue and it's gonna ask you for some more information like create a login detail and then choose a security code and then select a security key for you and then it's gonna confirm if it is you or not and your account will be created. So that's how it's done. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and bye bye.